In this video, we will be learning how to find the area of a parallelogram. So here we have a nice little parallelogram that I've already drawn. Our measurements for it, we'll go ahead and write those in. Our base is 3 inches. And remember, the base can be either one of these two sides. So these are both 3 inches. And let's double check the length of our other sides, and those are also 3 inches. So we'll go ahead and write those in a different color, because even though they're the same length, they are not parallel sides. And remember, a parallelogram is any closed shape that has 4 sides where both sets of sides are parallel. They will never ever touch each other. Okay, so to find the area of the parallelogram, we have to remember our formulas. Our formula is, let's do this in another color, for area equals base times height. Remember, times means to multiply. So we already have our base here. Our base is 3 inches. But the most important thing is to remember that this is not height. What actually height is this line right here. So we have to figure out what this length is. Now, if you're given a problem in a textbook, you'll probably be already given this height, but since I made this problem, we're going to figure out what it is. And the height of this, I'm measuring with my ruler. And let's write that in with a new color. Let's choose dark purple. This is 2.5 inches. So now that we have our height, we are going to multiply. We are going to do our base. So let's go ahead and write that in red. Our base is 3 inches multiplied by the height, which we just discovered, is 2.5 inches. Now, if you don't know how to do this off the top of your head, you can go ahead and do your work off to the side. So you can do 2.5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry that over. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Don't forget your decimal. So the area of this parallelogram will be 7.5 inches squared. We can't forget the squared because squared means area. And if we don't put the squared, we might not know that it's area when you put your answer in. And that's how you solve a parallelogram.